Sup YouTube, we're gonna throw this thing out of a 2-story window. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it straight up. Oh, the bottom just blew out. I think we should go downstairs and check the damage. You coming, Bobby?
Mm-hmm.
Let's hurry up, because I can't pause. Don't touch it, just sort of let it where it is.
There's an easy fit after there. Bobby!
I put on the wrong one.
Let's go.
You smell like gas in here. You fucking did it.
It's still leaking. Sorry for the shakiness that probably just happened. Can't tell. Ooh, look at a penny. Yeah, obviously the top has come off. Sam, hold this and try to open up the crack in the bottom. I think I'm gonna do another one of these. The whole bottom blew out, guys. That's just ridiculous. I think I'm gonna do another one of these just because, you know, it's awesome. But I'll probably make a second video, part 2. For now, peace.